Okay, so prawn cocktail cups couldn't be easier. Here, I've got some of your standard frozen, obviously I've defrosted them, little prawns there. I put them into here because, again, like all of the recipes today, these can be made ahead of time and this will keep perfectly in the fridge. And save on washing up, I just make the whole thing in here. So I've got 150 grams there. That's ample for what we need today.
Spot on.
Yep. Good. Our little gem lettuce that we use for the Vietnamese spring rolls, we're going to use the rest of that. You're going to need some cayenne pepper, just for dusting at the end. Some mayonnaise, some ketchup, Tabasco, Worcestershire sauce, and I thought I'd be a bit flash. We'll use some more of these nice big prawns to sort of finish it off on the top. Yeah? Okay. Do you want to make this one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah,
okay.
go for it, man.
Okay, so I'll take that because I'll do the cups for you. So we need to really start by making up the prawns. Okay. So we're going to start with this, and we're going to go in with some mayonnaise and some ketchup. Now,
what are we talking quantity-wise?
So I eyeball it. I don't like, what do they call it, Mary Rose sauce. I don't like it too dark. I like mine quite light. Okay. So I would probably give that a good squeeze first, and then we can work from there. Let's bring it in and then let's see. Squeeze. Yeah, good squeeze. My wife hates these things.
Yeah, is that a good squeeze or keep going squeeze?
A little bit more, yeah, a little bit more. That'll do, that'll do. Because again, you know, we can always add to this, so, you know, if we need to. Yeah. Sorry. You're right there.
I can't stand those. I can't stand the little dips.
Yeah. Do you want another wine?
I do mind if Yeah, go for
Some of the Tommy K. Okay. Let's get that in there.
About the same quantity?
No, so we're going to do about a quarter
this
of
is
that.
A bit that you don't like because it's the darkness type thing.
Yeah, a touch more. Let's see. I just want to make you do it more. That's all I'm doing. Okay, a splash of Tabasco. Now, again, if it was just me eating it, I'd be putting a lot more in. But you do. Just put.
Well, you tell me.
You know. Yeah, that's it. It just gives it a little piquancy.
Smells nice, actually. It does smell nice.
I love Tabasco. Costco. That's the only place I think I've seen this size.
Oh, okay.
That's the only reason I've got a membership there, I think. Okay, and then again the same with your Worcester sauce. Yeah. Now, I sometimes and other people do it as well. Old school is you put a bit of brandy in there. I'm not doing that for this. You flambe the brandy on a spoon. Heat the spoon up, put it in, flame it up, and then you put it in. Very old school, but we're not doing that today. Okay. So. There you go. There's your weapon of choice. Give it a mix round. While you're doing that, I'll get this lettuce, our cups sort of made up. Get you some nice ones.
I love the smell of this.
It's nice, isn't it?
All the scents come together. It's very nice.
Again, so we're only making a couple for the purposes of this video. So, and again, you'll know your audience, guys, better than we will. But you don't want too bigger pieces of lettuce, otherwise they're not really like sort of party food style. So I've gone for sort of a medium size, and I like these because obviously you can just grab it, 2 bites or 1, it depends how hungry you are, they're done. Yeah, and we're just going to dress that as well with a little, I've just got a nice cherry tomato there, which we will do, and then we'll give that a little.
Good here. I think we're done here.
Yeah, all done?
Yep.
Okay, and let's just give it. Do you want to give it a taste with that one and see if it needs anything else? Probably might need a little bit of pepper, but you tell me.
Yeah, pepper could be. That was good. I said a little bit of pepper.
Yeah, a little bit of pepper. Okay, yeah, got some pepper. I'll do that for you, sir. No problem.
Lovely.
That is pepper, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Amazing.
There you go.
Yeah, amazing. Let's give that a mix in.
Give that a mix in.
Yeah. It instantly smells lovely smelling.
It's really retro. I mean, like prawn cocktail, isn't it? I remember, we're the same age, but I remember as a kid, you know, prawn cocktail was like, oh wow, well that, that's
something my grandparents did all the time.
Yeah.
Literally all the time.
Yeah, it was like, cool, it was like Keep Up with the Joneses,
Yeah,
you know,
it was.
they
It
were
was
having
the done
prawn
thing.
cocktail.
That's right. It was
And
done.
then now, actually now you are seeing it more, I think a lot of these pubs sort of seem to do it, don't they? Like as part of their meal deal or whatever it may be. Right, I'll tell you what, I'm just going to move that sauce.
Okay.
And then I'll bring that in for you, excuse the noise. So you can then, we can make these up and we can lay them on our board.
Perfect.
So I've made you up, well I haven't made you up, I just cut you. Two of those. So we just want to load some in there.
Yep.
Okay, and that's it again.
Bit more.
Yeah, I think that could take a bit.
There you go, look at that.
That's it.
Looking
Perfect. And then again with your next one. I mean, it's so simple this.
Good. You know, long time no prawn cocktail for me. I haven't had it for ages.
Yeah.
Looks and smells, but it reminds you of just how nice it is.
Exactly, and as I say, the good thing is, if you've got guests coming over, you can make this like the day before, probably 2 days before. Keep it. This would take you no time, wouldn't it, to knock up? Yeah. Okay. So on top of that, we want one of your big prawns. What do you reckon? Should I cut it in half, or do you reckon that's too big for a mouthful?
I reckon
Yeah?
half. Yeah.
Okay. So let's cut one of those up. Oh, I'm doing quite well. Look, I'm not getting rid of all my big king prawns today. Look.
Oh, look at that.
There you go.
Oh, lovely.
Give it a nice bit on the top there.
That's perfect.
Got you a bit of
Nice.
tomato. Look at that. It looks quite professional, doesn't it?
It does look pretty good.
And then let's load those up. I think we'll put those, next to there. I think that could work quite well. And then we're going to go just with a sprinkling of cayenne. So obviously, again, you can leave this out, guys. But it is quite, again, quite old school. Just a little tiny, that's it. Lovely.
There you go.
Blow your socks off.
Beautiful.
And then just to give it that certain je ne sais quoi. There we go. Perfect. And that is our second canapé made.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's great.
Spot on.